Hello guys, welcome to Pesecha's Hair. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this old school afro wig. I hope you enjoying this video. So this is the wig cap we are going to be using. This particular wig cap is a strong wig cap and it has bigger holes for the kinky extension to pass through. So I'll wear the wig cap on my dummy hair, then I'm going to use my pin to fasten it on the dummy head, so when I'm crocheting it, it will not pull off, you get. So this is the Afro Kinky I'm going to be using for this wig. This is it. I'm using only one pack, so I'm going to be cutting it off. I'll be cutting it off, yes. So I will take out one. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting it into two. So into two, I'm going to be cutting everything into two, and I'll separate it into smaller size so that I can be able to crochet it. It can be able to pass through the wig net. There you get. So this is me separate. I've finished separating the ones I want to use. So this is the crochet pin I'm going to be using. You can use either of it, but I'm going to be using this big one. So I'm starting the crocheting. Start from the back like this. And just watch how I'm going to be knotting it. So you knot it 2 times. You knot it 2 times. Yeah. So I knotted it 2 times for this first one, but I noticed that this 2 times is not strong enough. So for the second one, you will see how I will knot it. Yes, that's what I'm going to be knotting it on the second one. So you knot it 2 times again. You knot it 2 times again. Yeah. Then you tie it like this. You tie it like this. So basically, this is how you're going to be knotting it, and this is what you're going to be doing around the full cap. So watch what I am doing and enjoy the video. So I'm done crocheting it, so it's time for me to trim the hair. You're going to be just be bringing it out. You're going to be bringing it out. Not the thing is coily, so you have to bring it out, bring out the coil, so you can be able to trim it well. Do you get? So you can match even. If you're going to be trimming it to your desired length, you understand? You're going to be trimming it to your desired length. Yeah. So I'm almost done trimming. Yes. Be bringing it out, be trimming, be bringing it out, be trimming. So I finished trimming it and cutting. So I'm going to comb it out now. To give it a full look. So you need to comb it out. So you need an Afro comb for this. So this is the Afro comb. Everybody knows this is Afro comb. So this is what you're going to be using to comb out the kinky. So this is it. I'm done combing it out, so I'm going to be putting it on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Bye.